Good morning, what can I do for you today? Good morning. I have to send this parcel to UK, please. Okay, pass me the parcel through the opened window and let's see how much it weighs. It weighs 4 kilos. You need to send it by airmail, it will get there in about 5 days. You also have the option of using international sign for. What is that? Same as airmail, but the person in Thailand has to sign for it when the postman delivers it to them. How much does that cost? An extra $5.65, and it is insured up to $57. It's okay, 5 days by airmail is fine. How much will sending the parcel be? $10.15. Do you need anything else? Oh, I nearly forgot. I need to buy 3 books of stamps, one first class and the other second class. Okay, that will be $15.35.
Well, hello there, James. Wow, it is a long time no see. It is great to see you again.
Amelia. Hello! What a coincidence. I have not seen you in ages. It is great to see you. What are you doing in New York? Are you just visiting?
I just got a new job in New York in finance, so I am shopping for some new clothes. Hey, what do you think of this skirt?
Well, you remember how much I love white. See? I have got the same skirt as you.
You have always had great taste in clothes. Well, this is a small world.
We must keep in touch. You still have my mobile number?
No. I lost my phone. Here is my new number.
Okay, I will save your number.
I have got to go back to work. Give us a ring so we can arrange dinner sometime.
For sure. Take care, bye. Hello, would you organize me a taxi for tomorrow afternoon?
That will be no problem. Where do you want the taxi to take you?
Well, I have to be at a business conference for 2 o'clock at the Regent's Hotel. I'm hoping that it is not very far away from here.
No. It's only a 20-minute drive from this hotel, and you will be fine as the traffic is very quiet at that time.
Then 1:30 will be fine. No! Make it 1:15 to be on the safe side. Book the taxi for 1:15 in the afternoon, please.
Okay, I will make booking right away for you.
Thank you for your help. And please tell the taxi company to make sure the taxi arrives by 1:15, as that will leave me plenty of time.
Would you like me to order a taxi for when you return?
That's a great idea. Could make sure the taxi waiting for me outside for 9 o'clock.
Don't worry, we'll take care of that.
Good afternoon. Hello, Mr. William. I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor as soon as possible, please.
I'm sorry, the doctor is very busy today, but he is free this tomorrow morning. Is 8 a.m. all right for you?
Yes, that is fine, thanks. I will there for 8 a.m. Thank you for your time.
You are welcome. See you tomorrow.
Hey, Oscar. Take a look at those desserts, they look so good. How about baking a cake when we get home? Yes, that's a brilliant idea. We better buy some ingredients then, while we are here. Okay, do you know what we need to bake a cake? The recipe I use calls for flour, sugar, icing sugar and butter. Oh, I nearly forgot, and we also need some eggs and chocolate chips and a chocolate flake to sprinkle on top. Well, you get the dairy ingredients. Here is the dairy products. You'll find them in the refrigerated section in aisle 16 and 17, which is next to the frozen section. I'll get all the other ingredients, as they're in aisle 6. Great! Then, let's meet at the checkout. I'm so looking forward to baking this cake now. Oh my God! That car just gone through that red light and hit another car. Can you see if anyone is hurt? I don't know. I am going to call 911. Hello. I would like to report a car accident. Do you know if anyone is injured? It looks like a woman is hurt. When did the accident happen and where? It has just happened right now. The accident happened opposite the Tesco supermarket on Luke Street. An ambulance, fire engine and a police car will be there in 15 minutes. Okay, thanks. Bye. What did the operator say to you? They're sending an ambulance, fire engine and a police car within the next 15 minutes. Good, I hope that they arrive soon. I hope the woman is okay. She looks to be moving with no problems. Yes, I hope so too. You have to be very careful at all times when you're driving. Hello, I am Harry.
Yes, sir. How may I help you today?
I have a plane to catch tomorrow morning and I can't miss it. Is it possible to arrange a wake-up call for 5:30 a.m.?
Yes, I am arranging that right now. What is your room number?
I'm staying in room 432.
Okay, you'll get your wake-up call at 5:30 in the morning. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, I'd like to have some breakfast and a pot of tea delivered to my room after my wake-up call.
What breakfast would you like, a full English or continental breakfast?
A tea with extra toast, please.
All right.
Yeah. That'll be all for now. I will settle my bill when I check out in the morning.
Would also like me to arrange a taxi to the airport for you?
Yes, that would be great. Can you order one for 9:30 am?
Yes, that will be fine. Is that all?
Yes, thanks for all your help.
It was my pleasure. Have a nice day.
Thanks, and you too. What do you do for a living? I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. What is your occupation? I'm a mechanic. I work in a garage on Houston Street. A mechanic? You must do a lot of work and get very dirty. Yes, I do lots of work. Every day I fix cars, and it takes a long time to get clean after work. That is really interesting. How many cars do you think you fix in a day? On average, I probably fix about 6 cars every day. I do get tired. What sort of job do you have, Mr. Brown? I don't have a job at the moment. Why? I'm at college learning English. Thanks for the chat. I have to get back to work now. Yes, thanks also.
Hello, Isabella. How are you? Fine, and what about you? I am also fine. Where did you go yesterday? I looked for you. I went to the tree fair to buy some saplings. Tree fair has been going on for last 5 days. It will continue for more 2 days. Who has organized this tree fair? The Department of Agriculture and Forestry organizes this tree fair every year in all towns and cities on the occasion of Tree Plantation Week. Why do they organize this tree fair? It appears strange to me that you are not yet fully aware of the importance of tree plantation. Right, you are. Please tell me about the importance of tree plantation. I want to know about it in detail. Trees are our best friends. Trees give us shade and shelter. We cannot think of our existence without trees. They are a great source of our food, vitamins, and furniture. But do you notice that many unscrupulous people are cutting down trees at random? What might be its consequence? If they cut down trees indiscriminately, the country will one day turn into a desert. The temperature will rise and it will cause greenhouse effect. I think this would not be harmful if people planted more trees after cutting trees. But they seem to be very indifferent to planting trees. You are right to save life and maintain the ecological balance of the environment. There is no alternative to tree plantation. Now I understand every tree plantation is so important. I think people of all walks of life should come forward to make tree plantation program a success. Absolutely. Let us make aware of our friends and motivate them to plant trees more and more to make our country a land of greenery.
Hello, Anthony. How do you do? I am fine, thank you. Why are you looking so sad? Actually, I am worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for the examination? Well, I'm going on well my studies. I am also worried about my exam. But tell me about your preparation in different subjects. You know I am weak in mathematics. That's why I'm taking special care in mathematics. I'm having a detailed revision in other subjects. Are you taking help from any special books? Yes, but I study textbooks very carefully. I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think? Yes, I think it'll be very helpful not only for mathematics, but also for other subjects. Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck. You are most welcome. Where's Abigail?
Sir, she is absent today.
Why is she upset?
Sir, she has gone to New York to attend his sister's marriage.
Has she sent the leave letter through you?
No, sir.
Then it is very bad. You must not be absent without leave letter.
Yes, sir.
Have you answered the paragraph questions?
Yes, sir. We have.
Boys, look at that picture on the wall.
Who is he?
He is a poet named Bob Dylan.
Sir, I know about him very well. He got Nobel Prize for Literature.